Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Thanksgiving table runners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have your tablecloth table runner. Your tablecloth table linen is a stunning piece of decor that will breathe extra oomph and vigor into your plain table. It comes with its beautiful give thanks design with bright attractive colors. The table runner is sure to spruce up any room and add just the right touch of glamour and drama. It is made with 100% superior grade cotton. The fall holiday and Thanksgiving table runner doesn't wear or tear easily, and features a strong top stitching to avoid fraying and loose ends. While its bright prints will not fade even after multiple washes. That's giving you many years of use. At number 5 we have Hami Table Runner. This unique holiday table runner's design can showcase your personal taste, highlighting the festive decorations of the home and kitchen. The table runners is made of linen yellow simple maple leaf and Thanksgiving print designed to maximize the festive atmosphere and toast out the family reunion atmosphere. The most special holiday party decorations must be made of the finest polyester fiber material, which is durable, wrinkle-free, non-sticky and strong. This table runner size is 72x13 and enough for use at banquet tables, family dining tables, etc. It is the best decoration choice for you at festivals, parties, family gatherings. At number 4 we have our warm table runner. The maple leaves fall decor table runner is designed by handmade embroidered craftsmen and hollowed out elegant Thanksgiving decoration and fall decoration for home, which is perfect for your fall and Thanksgiving party. The autumn table runner is made of high-quality polyester material. This double-thickness fabric makes it of a nice weight, durable, and will not slide down from the table. Elegant details make it look expensive. This farmhouse table runners are machine washable and hand washable. It is machine washes and lays the table runner flat to dry in a ventilated area. At number 3 we have Hami Table Runner. This durable table runner is made of 100% cotton with embroidered leaves of different colors and shapes. This elegant table runner is sure to add highlight to your home or table. Its exquisite workmanship will brighten your home and kitchen decor. This decorative table runner can spruce up dining, foyer, coffee tables, while still showing off the surface of furniture. It is not only the perfect choice for providing food, but also the perfect gift for anyone to use every day. This is best decorative gift for Thanksgiving and harvest festivals. At number 2 we have Hexagram Table Runner. It is made of durable burlap linen fabric, comfortable and thick, neat and easy to be flattened. This fall gnome runner is 72 inches long, appropriately fit for rectangle dining table that seat 4 to 6 people, coffee table decorations, etc. The vibrant orange blue colors and cutest pumpkins gnomes are all clearly printed on fall tablecloth. This decorative burlap dresser cover runners perfectly decor the dining table. You can keep this fall runner for table for long time. Colors would not fade and keep as new as ever. You can cover this fall tablecloth table runner on the furniture and protect far from dust and stain. At number 1 we have Coraline Table Runner. The fall table runner is composed of various maple leaf patterns with autumn characteristics, and the embroidery craftsmanship makes it look very textured, and it will add a sense of atmosphere to your Thanksgiving. The 15 by 67 inch Thanksgiving table runner is made of polyester, have a nice edge, soft texture and support for machine washing. This farmhouse fall table runner is suitable for Thanksgiving party. It also increases the charm of the table. The Thanksgiving decoration will complement your autumn outfit. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Thanksgiving table runners for your need.